And right now I have morning class. Oh, actually this is after long holiday for my campus. Oh, sorry, I can't sound this right now. And we have done morning class at 7. I saw back in the street. So, me and my friends will go home, and we are maybe the last who exit the campus. This is required. My snack is 10 p.m. Look, it's so dark. Currently, I have bought this because sometimes I always forget. Sorry, I forgot to use front camera, and I don't know how to flip these to the front camera because this is not this is don't have a flip button. Oh, so I think the lamp is not. Alright then. Coba say hi dong. Hi. Masa nama doang sih. Si sudah. I'm very tired. Awas saya tidak. So I have a excitement that the deadline is on Saturday, but I haven't finished it yet. It's still March 7, so I don't have. I don't know if I can submit my assignments at the time or not at the time. Like after the deadline or this is the field and this is the hill, but it's night, so this is you can see it clearly. You can clearly see it. Oh.